Hello everyone. Just as a master carpenter uses a toolbox to create masterpieces, a writer needs a set of tools to craft compelling stories. Having a toolkit filled with effective techniques and resources can transform your writing from good to great. Today, we'll see how to build that toolkit. Understand the importance of writing habits and routines. Learn strategies for overcoming writer's block. Discover various writing software and tools. Explore ways to integrate these techniques and tools into your workflow. Writing habits and routines. Establishing good writing habits and routines is helpful for productivity and creativity. Set writing goals. Establish daily or weekly word count goals to keep yourself on track. Consistent writing habits result in progress. Create a writing routine. Find a time and place where you can write without distractions. A regular routine helps train your brain to be creative on demand. Be consistent. Writing every day, even if it's just a few words, can help maintain momentum and keep your ideas flowing. Example: Stephen King writes every day and sets a goal of 2,000 words, which helps him maintain productivity and creativity. Overcoming writer's block. Writer's block is a common challenge, but there are strategies to overcome it. Freewriting. Set a timer for 10 minutes and write whatever comes to mind without worrying about grammar or coherence. This can help break through mental barriers. Change your environment. Sometimes a change of scenery can inspire new ideas. Try writing in a different location, like a cafe or park. Break it down. Divide your writing project into smaller, manageable tasks. Focus on one section or scene at a time to reduce overwhelm. Take breaks. Short breaks can refresh your mind and prevent burnout. Use techniques like the Pomodoro technique. Write for 25 minutes, then take a 5-minute break. Example: Stephen King, while writing The Shining, struggled with writer's block. Through a strict daily writing schedule and determination, he pushed through his creative hurdles, eventually completing one of his most famous works. Using writing software and tools. Various tools can help in the writing process, from brainstorming to final edits. Scrivener, a powerful writing software that allows you to organize your manuscript, research, and notes all in one place. It's particularly useful for long projects like novels. Grammarly, an AI-powered writing assistant that helps you with grammar, punctuation, and style. It's a great tool for catching errors and improving readability. Hemingway Editor. This tool highlights complex sentences, passive voice, and adverbs, helping you write clearer, more concisely. MindMeister, a mind-mapping tool that helps you brainstorm and organize ideas visually. It's perfect for planning plots and character arcs. Evernote, a note-taking app that allows you to save and organize ideas and research. It's accessible across devices, so you can write down ideas anytime. Example: many authors, including Neil Gaiman, use Scrivener to keep their drafts and research organized, making the writing process more efficient. Integrating techniques and tools into your workflow. To make the most of these techniques and tools, add them to your writing routine. Planning and brainstorming. Use MindMeister to map out your story ideas and Scrivener to organize them. This helps you see the big picture and structure your narrative. Writing and drafting. Write your drafts in Scrivener, taking advantage of its organizational features. Use the show, don't tell technique and vary sentence structures as you go. Editing and revising. Run your drafts through Grammarly and Hemingway Editor to catch errors and improve clarity. Focus on dialogue to ensure it's natural and suits the characters. Note-taking and research. Use a note-taking app or keep a notebook to write down ideas and conduct research. This ensures you never lose a great idea and can easily refer back to your notes. Example: George R.R. Martin planned the A Song of Ice and Fire series with detailed notes and outlines, which helped him maintain plot lines and character development throughout the series. Assignment: choose a new writing tool, software, app, or technique, and use it to write a 500-word scene. Reflect on how this tool improved or changed your writing process. Suggested reading: to further develop your writing skills, I suggest reading On Writing by Stephen King. It's an excellent resource that provides practical advice and a look into the writing process from one of the most successful authors of our time. Closing thought: various writing techniques and tools can greatly enhance your writing process and the quality of your work. Combining creativity with disciplined practice and utilizing the right resources can take your writing to new heights. Writing is an ongoing process of growth and improvement. Experiment, maintain discipline, and above all, enjoy the process of crafting your stories. Happy writing!